of class 10 chemistry. We are going to discuss redox reactions. So have a look at this reaction: copper oxide plus hydrogen equal to copper plus water. In this reaction, copper oxide is getting reduced to copper. So the thing is that removal of oxygen removal of oxygen is considered as reduction. Okay, copper oxide is getting reduced to copper. Removal of oxygen is considered as reduction. Copper oxide is getting converted to copper and oxygen is getting removed. So removal of oxygen is considered as reduction. And hydrogen is getting oxidized to water. So addition of oxygen is considered as oxidation. So H2 is getting oxidized to H2O because addition of oxygen, and CuO is getting reduced to copper because removal of oxygen. So that means we can summarize like this, that removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen, that is reduction, and removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen, that is oxidation. But there is another way to define oxidation and reduction. There is another way. That is, if you consider that copper oxide is an ionic compound, so copper is in the form of Cu2 plus, and that is now changed to neutral copper. So Cu2 plus is changing to neutral copper. So that means that Cu2 plus is getting 2 electrons added to itself to become neutral copper. But we know that there is a reduction. That means addition of electrons is reduction. Hydrogen molecule is getting changed to H2O. That means in H2O the hydrogen is in the form of H plus. So H2 is removing 2 electrons to become 2H plus. So, but we know that H2 is getting oxidized to H2O. That means removal of electrons is oxidation. So we can just complete our definition like this, that removal of electrons is oxidation and addition of electrons is reduction, right? Removal of electrons removal of electrons is oxidation and addition of electrons is reduction. So this actually completes the definition of oxidation and reduction. And based on this definition of oxidation and reduction, I am giving you 5 homework questions. So the first is zinc plus Zn plus Pb2 plus is Zn2 plus Pb. Then second is Zn plus Cu2 plus is Zn2 plus Cu. Then chlorine plus 2Br minus is Br2 plus 2Cl minus. Then Sn2 plus 2Hg2 plus is Sn4 plus Hg2 whole 2 plus. And 2Cu plus is Cu plus Cu2 plus. Now there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions. In these 5 reactions, you will have to identify which one is, in every reaction, you have to identify which is the oxidation and which is the reduction. So 5 reactions you will have to do like that. So this is your homework, and the homework has to be submitted by 9 p.m. of Saturday, because tomorrow is Friday. There is no session on Friday. It's a public holiday. So you will have to do these 5 reactions, which is the oxidation part and which is the reduction part, and you have to do it by 9 p.m. on Saturday. That will be the deadline. That's all for this session. Thank you. I'll end the session now.